Hello everyone, today video will discuss about the incomplete dominance which is totally based on non-Mendelian. Here we have taken two types of flower. One is red flower, another is white flower. Red flower is indicated at capital letter RR and white flower is indicated at small letter RR. After that we have cross between red flower and white flower and we have found out the capital letter R and small letter R which is indicated as pink color, which is totally different from the parental generations. After that we have found out the F2 generation by crossing between capital letter R and small letter R and capital letter R and small letter R, and for this we have prepared a Pune description so that we can find out the F2 generation. Now let us know how cross can be done. The cross between capital R and capital R we got capital RR. The cross between capital R and small letter R we got capital R and small letter R. The cross between capital R and small letter R we got capital R and small letter R. The cross between small letter R and small letter we got small letter RR. Now we will find out the genotype and phenotype. In case of phenotype we will have one red flower, two pink flower and one white flower. In case of genotype 1:2:1.